All right, welcome. So today's tip is all about how to cleanse your crystals easily. So I've got a few tips for you here today. You are always welcome to buy the Crystal Therapy course, which is an e-course. It's available on my website, soulshinereikihealing.com, under Mystery School of the Mother. So crystals are really useful when we use them correctly. So when we keep them at a high vibration. So let me go ahead and cleanse you. This Palo Santo has the intention that it's reaching you through the screen. Go ahead and cleanse the vessel of my phone while we're at it and your device that you're using right now. So take a big deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. We want to make sure that you're a clear vessel too. So this first tool is, of course, Palo Santo. This will help cleanse your crystals, and all you have to do is just simply run the crystal through it. So I like to get it on the front, on the back, all the sides, and I just run it through a couple times. You're just setting the intention that the Palo Santo is cleansing your crystal, and you want to have the crystal work at its highest functioning property, because if not, they're still useful, but you want it to vibrate at the highest possible level, right? So that you can access whatever healing abilities that specific crystal has. This one happens to be celestialite, so this one is really good for angelic communication and accessing your higher self, all that good stuff. So keeping her clear is really important. Now, you can also use sage if you don't like Palo Santo, or if you grow your own sage, that's even better. It's just a sage bundle. Always just make sure that you've got some type of vessel that's fireproof vessel. So I sell all of this in my studio. I've got the Palo Santo, I've got sage, I've got shells like this, the lion's paw shells. The other tip that I have for you is selenite. So I sell these little 3-inch bowls, and I like to just throw my jewelry in it at the end of the night and let the selenite bowl cleanse my jewelry that I wear overnight while I'm sleeping. Selenite is a cleanser. It does not need to be cleansed itself, but if you're feeling like you've had a particularly hard day, it's not going to hurt it to run some Palo Santo over it, or sage, or even an incense, a favorite incense of yours. But using selenite in my environment not only helps keep all of my other crystals clear, it also helps them keep me clear in my vessel and my channeling abilities and my ability to give so much healing and Reiki. But remember, those tools that you use, your jewelry, your crystals, anything like that can be placed on selenite or around it, and just have the intention that it's cleansing your tools. Another thing that you can do is get a selenite wand and do the same thing. It's almost like brushing, except you're not brushing hair, you're brushing energy. And again, just having that intent that it's going to cleanse your crystal is good enough. And using that selenite, like I said, all over is really helpful because it makes everything clear. So I've got a selenite tower in most of my rooms, and also some clear quartz. And I love using a selenite wand on myself all the time. And then my little selenite bowl to help cleanse as well. Now, you can also always use the full moon or even the sun to cleanse your crystals, but be careful, because sometimes, like selenite, she will dissolve in water, and she will also fade if you leave her in the sun. So grab that Crystal Therapy course if you want to make sure, or just Google if you have a certain crystal and you're not sure that it can go out into the sun or if it can get wet. Go ahead and just Google it if you know what it is. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you also enjoyed that healing music that was on in the background and that little cleanse that you got in the beginning as well. Thanks for watching.